What will happen if the moon hit the Earth? Have you ever looked up at the moon and thought, what would happen if that big rock suddenly smashed into Earth? It's a crazy thought, but let's imagine it together. Things are going to get wild. Before we get into the chaos, let's talk about why the moon is so important. The moon keeps Earth steady, like a spinning top. It controls our tides, making oceans rise and fall. Without the moon, life on Earth would be very different. But now, let's imagine something strange. The moon is on a collision course with Earth. Let's say the moon starts moving toward Earth. At first, you might not notice. But soon, the moon would look bigger and brighter in the sky. Cool, right? Nope. Its gravity would start causing massive problems. Tides would grow into mega tsunamis, flooding entire cities. Volcanoes would erupt everywhere. Earthquakes would shake the planet non-stop. People would panic as the weather goes crazy. The air would fill with dust and ash from all the volcanic eruptions. Day and night would get darker, like the end of the world. As the moon gets closer, it would start tearing apart. Why? Because Earth's gravity would pull it apart into pieces. These chunks would rain down on Earth like fireballs, destroying everything in their path. But the worst is yet to come, the final collision. And then, it happens, the moon crashes into Earth. The impact would release more energy than all the nuclear bombs in the world combined. Mountains would shatter, oceans would boil, and the ground would turn into rivers of lava. The sky would be filled with fire and smoke, blocking out the sunday. Everything on Earth, plants, animals, humans, would be wiped out. The planet would become a lifeless, burning rock. After the collision, Earth would be unrecognizable. Huge chunks of the moon and Earth would float in space, forming a ring around the planet, like Saturn. Over millions of years, the Earth might cool down, but life as we know it would never be the same. Luckily, the moon isn't going anywhere anytime soon. It's locked in orbit, keeping Earth safe and balanced. So, next time you look up at the moon, remember how important it isn't. Be thankful it's staying right where it belongs. If you enjoyed this wild ride, hit like, subscribe, and let us know what other crazy what-if questions you want us to explore next.